Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. Let's go through our math problems for today. We'll start with our cubes. Coach Wu has a total of 30 soccer balls. 9 soccer balls are white. The remaining soccer balls are one of 3 different colors. They're either blue, pink, or green. There is an equal number of blue, pink, and green balls. How many green soccer balls does Coach Wu have? So let's pull some of our numbers out. We have a total of 30. Our answer cannot be more than 30. So looking at my choices right now, I can already get rid of 39 because my total is 30. I'm going to do a little bit of labeling. I know 9 of them are white. I'm going to take the white out. So when I do my subtraction, I can't do 0 minus 9, so I borrow from my neighbor. The 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 2 minus nothing is 21. That's how many I have left. Now, I have to split that 21 between blue, pink, and green. That's really 3 groups of colors because they're equal. So when I'm taking a total and I'm putting it into 3 different groups and it's an equal number, that's division. So I'm doing 21 divided by 3 groups, meaning that there will be, if I don't know 21 divided by 3, I could always drop my 9 lines for my 3's. Do that now. I see that 21 falls on the 7th line, meaning that there are 7 blue, 7 pink, 7 green. So it doesn't really matter when it says how many green. They could have asked how many blue. They could have asked how many pink. All 3 of those colors are going to have 7 balls. So there's your choice for number 33. It really helps to pull your numbers down into label to really think about those action words. All right, let's go to our next page. So let's look at our next problem. Wyatt wants to solve the equation below to find the missing factor. 8 times what is 24? How can Wyatt find the missing factor by changing the equation to a division problem? Be sure to include the value of the missing factor in your answers. So we have to do 2 things. We have to talk about how Wyatt can find the missing factor, and we have to say the missing factor. A lot of you probably know this fact right off the bat. If you don't, you can always drop your 9 lines. You can count by 8s until we get to 24, and you see that 24 is on the 3rd line. So our missing factor is 3. So we can say that. And I apologize for my handwriting. I'm writing with my finger. The missing factor is 3. Okay, now how can we use division? You can say because 24 divided by 8 equals 3. It says, how can Wyatt find the missing factor by changing the equation to a division problem? So that's what we did here. It also asked us to include the missing factor. That's what we did here. So we have both parts. Keep it simple, show your work, and make sure you're answering all of the questions. I probably could make sure to put this here, underline that was also a job, and here was my first step, and here was my second step. So thinking about all of that, use your strategies. If you don't know that particular multiplication problem, please use your 9 lines. All right, we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.